So we visited this client after a series of very frustrating meetings with about 4 exterior home remodelers and 2 storm chasers. She was very frustrated with every single company. Everyone was trying to push her, move forward, sign today, discounts. You've heard it all before, right? Essentially, this home has about 8 skylights. There was a hail claim for each and every one of the components, and the insurance company didn't want to cover the skylights. They barely wanted to cover the roof. We came in, got an inspection, helped her through the insurance process, got her all 8 skylights, over $11,000 worth of components alone, plus the entire roof. Easy process, explained everything to her that was relevant to her conversation, got her paid. She then moved forward, had an incredible experience with Curb Appeal Exterior. They were very happy with our services.